everyone! Well, back by popular demand, today we have the Microblaster. We're gonna blow some Oh yeah! Oh, I don't know if I can say that on YouTube. I may have had to bleep that out. Let's have some fun! Woohoo! So I wasn't necessarily going to blow up those two rocks. I was going to drag them out, knock them down, whatever, but because everybody commented on my last video that they want to see the Microblaster action again, I decided I'm going to come up tonight and crack them in half. That way the Bobcat can move them easier. I don't know if I'm going to crack that guy because I've exhausted over there and started reclaiming it already, so I don't need to. But those two, I've got to get out of there. So a lot of you might be wondering why it takes me so long between videos to do certain things that seem so simple, like blowing up a couple of rocks. I do have a day job. Unfortunately, prospecting does not pay the bills. Not at all paying the bills. So I do still have to work my day job. I'm a high school teacher, if you don't know that. So I work Monday through Friday, so 9 to 4. So I only get to do this on weekends and after school in the evenings. Anyhow, let's go blow some stuff up. Seems to be a flaw there. There we go. Whoa. Let's go have a look at this. Jump across the mud puddle. Okay, what we got here? We got a hole. Take a charge. Doop, down in. Why did I come over here without the rest of it? Jump again. Okay, and in we go. Make sure it's pushed down nicely. And for a bit of resistance, make sure it doesn't just pop out. Put a rock against it. Hey, let's see if we can blast this rock. Okay, we're all ready. Now, well, years ago when I did this, people gave me a hard time about saying fire in the hole every time I shot one of these off, so I've got to come up with something new, I guess. 3, 2, 1, kaboom? I don't know. Gotta say something, gotta make it official. So, I think we're all ready. I'm standing back, I got the camera nice and close. Here we go! 3, 2, 1, kaboom! There we go! There's one split rock. That takes a third of the weight off it. Makes it that much easier to move. Shall we do another? Of course we should do another! So let's make this thing even smaller. Okay, 3, 2, 1, kaboom. No. Fire in the hole. No. Bottoms up. Okay. Here we go. Bottoms up. There we go. Bobcat will be able to move those. Let's look at the next rock. Hey, we're looking at the next rock. What am I gonna do with this one? I kind of want to drill from on top, but standing on top of the rock does not sound smart. Maybe from the top right side, in at an angle. Let's try that. Yeah, I think I got a spot right here. So, because I gotta say something, let's give Jeff Williams a bit of a shout out here. So come on! Let's go! Well, broke a corner off. Guess it's better than nothing. Okay, here we go for the last blast of the day. I'm saying this is the last blast because this is the last of the caps I want to use today. Who else should I give a shout out for this one? Let's see if we can figure out who this YouTuber is. Nice, good split. Nice! Once I knock that down, I'll be able to move that easily. Because it's still in the mountain, it held together. But look at that split. It went right through the middle of it. It'll be two smaller pieces once I knock it down. And then we can access all that pay gravel underneath it. Move a bit of the overburden over there. We can move that guy now because he's in 3 pieces. And we can get all the pay dirt over there. We have access to lots more pay dirt now. I'm excited. I'm also very sweaty. Oh my goodness, that was a lot of work. So if you didn't catch the reference of snapping the fingers there, that was a reference to another YouTuber, Pioneer Polly. If you don't know Pioneer Polly's stuff, go check out his channel. He's got great stuff. I'll maybe leave a link here or at the end or something for him. Hopefully someday Pioneer Polly and myself will get together for some collaboration since we are both fairly close together. But there we go. Blowed up rocks. Big rocks. Now smaller rocks. Bobcat will have no problem moving them. So everyone, help me celebrating the end of the school year by subscribing to my channel. And if you subscribe to my channel, make sure you click that bell icon so you get notifications when I put out new videos. I know you guys are going to comment on this one because, hey, blowing up rocks is fun. So make sure you leave a comment about the destruction of those two beasts. And again, if you can bring yourself to it, I would really appreciate the support through Patreon. There'll be a link here at the end of the video. A $10 pledge would go a very long way in helping me create these videos for you all to watch. Thank you, if you do. Thank you just for watching. Thank you for everything. We're having fun out here. So until the next one. We need to have another giveaway soon, don't we? Next video, giveaway for the next one, for something. But until then.